Hey guys, I got the bluefin tuna loin, belly side. I'm going to break it down. Also, I got the bluefin tuna kama and the cheek and making the bluefin tuna tempura. Please come to try. Please hit like and subscribe. Thank you.